Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to fix the terminals which is not showing on Windows 11. If it is the terminals for photos, videos, and so on. Let's start. The first step is to restart the File Explorer. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape from your keyboard to open the Task Manager. From there, you need to find out the Windows Explorer and click on the Restart button to restart the File Explorer. The second step is to check that whether the terminals are disabled from the control panel or not. Open the File Explorer. Here, as you can see, that the terminals are currently disabled. Click on the See More option in the ribbon and then select Options. From there, click on View. Then, if there is an option, always show icons and never terminals. If it is checked, uncheck this option, then click on Apply and click on OK. This option should solve the problem. Now, let's proceed to the step 3. For the step 3, you need to open the settings in Windows 11 by right-clicking on the Start button and then select Settings, or press Windows plus I button from your keyboard. Under System, scroll down and then select About, and then click on Advanced System Settings. This will open a new window for you. Here, click on the Advanced tab, and under Performance, click on the Settings. From the below options, this option should be always checked, show terminals instead of icons. And then click on Apply, then click on OK. Press OK again, and check if the issue is solved for you. The fourth step is to reset the terminal cache. Terminals data is saved as cache, and if the data is corrupted, then the terminals will not show. Open Settings. Make sure you have selected the System Settings, and then scroll down, select Storage. Then click on Temporary Files. After the scanning is finished, you need to uncheck all of these options and leave the terminals option checked. Now click on the Remove Files and then click on Continue. It will remove all the terminals and Windows will start rebuilding the terminals for you. This might solve your problem. Still, if the issue is not solved, you can also reset the terminals using the Disk Cleanup. Open Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Open the Disk Cleanup. From the drop-down, select Windows System or Drive C and then press OK button. From the selected options, uncheck all of them and only leave the terminals checked. Then press the OK button and then click on Delete Files. Windows will delete all the terminals that it has stored as cache. Windows will try to rebuild the cache and the terminals will be enabled for you. If your issue is not solved, then now it is time to reset the terminal cache using CMD. Open Start menu and search for CMD. Run the CMD as administrator. In the user account control, click on Yes. Now type this command. I have put down the command down below in the video description. Press Enter from your keyboard. This command will end task or kill the explorer.exe task. Now copy the second command from the description and paste it in CMD. And press Enter from your keyboard. If there is any terminal cache stored in your computer, it will clear all the cache. For me, it cannot find any cache under My User. Now copy the third command and paste it in CMD. This command will start the File Explorer again. And that's all for today, guys. I hope one of these methods have worked for you. Thumbs up if you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.